keep yourself busy. Like obviously we're all in the same boat. You're all missing it. We all want football back or whatever sport it may be. So just keep yourself busy in the house. There's obviously loads of things you can do in the house to keep up with it. You know, kicking the ball against the wall or dribbling around the garden. Got a few, obviously the big names like Ronaldo and Sergio Ramos, and that would be nice. But I'd probably pick Dani Alves. Probably lives in Brazil or somewhere hot at least. So, and he's probably got a big nice garden. So probably him, and obviously he's a quality player. He's had a hell of a career, plays my position, and yeah, it'd probably be nice just to do a bit in the garden, wherever it may be with him. I'll go for little runs with him. So yeah, probably Dani Alves I'd choose. Yeah, well, partly I do enjoy a little bit of carpentry and joinery, and I got a little workshop going in the garage that I enjoy trying to learn new skills and make things and build things. So since we've been in lockdown, I've made a few things like a couple of bird boxes, a couple of bird feeders, gate for my mother, gate for myself, bookcase, and just some storage boxes and stuff in the garage. So yeah, I do enjoy that. And like I said earlier, keep myself busy. It's not all about football and sport. It's about taking a step back and learning new things and taking new topics on board. And yeah, like you said, it's a good getaway from the football. And yeah, I'm using it as a chance to learn more about the old carpentry and woodwork and that.